Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's study how to insert rational numbers between the given rational numbers. There are two methods for that. The first method says that if a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2 is a rational number and its value lies between a and b. This is the first method. So if a is less than b, then a less than a plus b by 2 less than b, or if a is greater than b, then a greater than a plus b by 2 greater than b. This is what the first method. Let's consider an example. Consider the numbers 5 and 7. We know that these two are rational numbers. So let's find the first part. What, as per this condition, what is that? A plus b by 2 is a rational number. Let's find it out. What is a plus b by 2? A plus b by 2 is equal to 5 plus 7 by 2. 5 plus 7 by 2. So what is the value we are getting? 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. The value of a plus b by 2 is 6. Now here 5 is less than 7. When 5 is less than 7, the value 5 plus 7 by 2, that should be less than 7. So we can write this as 5 less than 6 less than 7. So this condition satisfies. The first condition satisfies. Since we are considering two numbers, the first number is lesser than the second number, then the term which we are inserting between these two numbers, then this condition satisfies. That is, here if you see this, you can say that 5 less than 6 less than 7. Consider another example, 11 and 9. So here it's very clear that 11 is greater than 9. Now as per this condition, what we have to find? The first one is a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 means that is equal to, what is a plus b by 2? 11 plus 9 by 2. 11 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 20 by 2. And this implies 20 by 2 is how much? It is 10. So the a plus b by 2, we are getting the value of a plus b by 2 as 10, and as per the condition, and this value lies between a and b. Now see this 10. 10 is lying between 9 and 11. So according to the second condition, so here the second condition is satisfying, that is a is greater than b. Therefore we can say that 11 is greater than 10 is greater than 9. So the value, whatever the rational number we are getting, that is lying between a and b, that is the given two numbers. The second method says that for any two rational numbers a by b and c by d, a plus c by b plus d is also a rational number with its value lying between a by b and c by d. So this is the second method. Let's consider an example. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. These are the two rational numbers. And here we can find a rational number which is lying in between these two numbers. So according to this method, the rational number is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 4, and that is same as 2 by 6. That's equal to 1 by 3. This is what the rational number we are getting. Now if you consider this 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 will be the rational numbers, and this 1 by 3 will be between 1 by 2 as well as 1 by 4, and we know the value of 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 1 by 3 is 0.333 etc., and this is 0.25. So obviously we can say that this 0.33 is lying between 0.5 as well as 0.25. So according to this condition, a plus c by b plus d is also a rational number. So we are getting 1 by 3 as the middle term here, and this is also a rational number according to this condition, and the value of 1 by 3 is lying between the two rational numbers given. Now let's insert one rational number between these given rational numbers. The first one is 7 and 8. And according to the first method, if there are two rational numbers given, then 7 plus 8 by 2 is a rational number which is lying between 7 and 8. And 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 by 2 is the rational number, and that is same as 7.5. So we can see that 7 is less than 7.5 is less than 8. Now, if you consider the next question, the same method we can apply even here. This will be 3.5 plus 5 divided by 2, and that is 8.5 divided by 2, and that is same as 4.25. When you divide 8.5 by 2, you will get this as 4.25, and this 4.25 is lying between 3.5 and 5. So we can write this as 3.5 is less than 4.25 is less than 5. This is the rational number we can write in between the given two numbers. And look at the third one, 1 by 2 and 2. Here also, if we apply the same method, we can say that 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is a number which is lying between these two numbers. So 1 by 2 plus 2 is, 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5. 0.5 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 2.5 by 2. 2.5 by 2 is same as 1.25. When you divide 2.5 by 2, you will get this as 1.25. And this 1.25 is lying between 1 by 2 and 2. And this 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5 as I have told you. So we can write this as 0.5 is less than 1.25 less than 2. Now these questions are for you. You can solve it and find the answer. Now consider this question. Insert two rational numbers between 6 and 7. So let's see how to do it. You can use either the first method or the second method. Here we can use the first method because this is just number 6 and 7. If you are considering the second method, you must write this as 6 by 1 as well as 7 by 1. Let's go with the first method. The first number what we get is 6 plus 7 by 2, and that is same as 13 by 2. That's equal to 6.5. So we got one number. Now we can write this as 6, 6.5, 7. Now these are three numbers we have. Now if we need to insert one more rational number, you can consider either these two numbers 6 and 6.5 or 6.5 or 7. And let's consider the first two. Again we can write this as 6 plus 6.5 divided by 2. That is 12.5 by 2. That is same as 6.25. So we can write the numbers as 6. Since we have considered these two numbers, we have considered 6 as well as 6.5. The number that we have obtained here should be written in between these two. So 6, 6.25, 6.5, 7. So the numbers what we are obtaining are 6, 6.25, 6.5 and 7. In case if you are considering the last two numbers, then you would have got another number and that should have written in between these two. Let's consider that also. If you are considering 6.5 plus 7 by 2, you are getting this as 13.5 by 2, and that is same as 6.75. So you will write this as 6, 6.25, 6.5, 6.75, 7. These are the numbers we are getting. Here the question is to insert only two rational numbers. So you can write either 6, 6.25, 6.5 and 7 as your answer, or you can write 6, 6.5, 6.75 and 7 as the answer. Based on numbers what you are considering, you will be getting a number between those two numbers. Look at this question. 3 by 7 and 5 by 7, we need to insert two rational numbers. For this, let's go with the second method. So here, when a by b and c by d are the two rational numbers, then a plus c by b plus d is a rational number that is between the given two numbers. Let's consider it. So the first number what we get is 3 plus 5 by 7 plus 7, and that is equal to 8 by 14, and this number lies between 3 by 7 as well as 5 by 7. So we can write this as 3 by 7, 8 by 14, 5 by 7. Now one more number when you are inserting, you can consider either these two terms or the last two terms. Let's consider the first two terms. We get this as 3 plus 8 by 7 plus 14, and that is equal to 11 by 21. This rational number lies between 3 by 7 and 8 by 14. So we will get this as 3 by 7, 11 by 21 and 8 by 14, 5 by 7. This is how we can insert two rational numbers between 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Just imagine if you are considering the last two numbers, what you would have got. So then you will be getting that as 8 plus 5 by 14 plus 7, and that is equal to 13 by 21. Then your number will be 3 by 7, 8 by 14. This number lies between 8 by 14 as well as 5 by 7. So 8 by 14, after this you need to write this 13 by 21, 5 by 7. This is the required rational numbers. If you are considering the first two numbers, you will get this as your answer. If you are considering the last two numbers here, you get this as your answer. This is how we can insert rational numbers between any two rational numbers. You can insert n number of rational numbers in between any two rational numbers. Look at these three questions. You can solve it and find the answer. You can use any one of those two methods to find out the rational numbers which is lying between the given rational numbers. So in the first case, you need to find two rational numbers. In the second case, also two rational numbers. And in the third case, you need to find three rational numbers between these two, 1 by 2 as well as 1 by 8. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.